We've had 4 #1 hit songs written here. We've had one song that Celine Dion cut that did 35 million. Britney Spears sang a song last year. Cher, John Bon Jovi, Sting, Carole King. When somebody writes a song that goes #1 or sells 10 billion, we knight them and bring them into the grand order of the Troubadour. So Lady Carole King has been here 3 times actually. You know, Belinda Carlisle, Ellie Goulding, Jason Mraz, Jeff Beck, Ted Nugent. But before that, before I bought it, apparently Edward Heath was here and the Queen Mother was here. So that's why we call the suite the Queen Mother Suite, because apparently she came and said, I have to have another room for my lady in waiting, the same thing. So they took the biggest bedroom in the place, cut it in half, put 2 bathrooms in so the lady in waiting could be covered as well. So that's now the Queen Mother Suite. So I like to see people see that. And they go into some of the rooms, you know, wow, look at this. You know, I mean, if you have a house that people say wow about, that's kind of fun.